Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayo, also known as OJ, but I prefer to be called OJ. So in this video, I'm basically going to be sharing with you how to do your cornrows. So before that, I just want to say, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. I'm so glad you stumbled upon this video. Please take a moment to subscribe, hit the notification bell just to get notified every time I post. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you don't like it. Please help my life. And please leave a comment down below telling me the kind of video you like me to do and what you think about this particular video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this channel. It's a pleasure to always have you back. Thank you so much for always supporting. So the first thing I am doing right now is basically part my cornrows. But before that, if you're somebody who is interested in learning how to do cornrows, whether you don't know how to do cornrows before, you've never done it before, this video is actually for you. So let's get into this video. The first thing that you'll be needing is 3 of your fingers of both hands. I'm talking about the thumbs, the index finger, which is the finger next to your thumb, and then your middle finger, and then your engagement finger and your pinky finger is something that you use to support your hands or your fingers when you are braiding. So I'm gonna explain right now. So you need both hands in braiding. So the most fingers that are doing the work is your middle finger, your index finger, and your thumb. So please take note of that. So right now I have parted where, you know, the beginning of the hair, which is the most important, because that place has to be very tight, not extremely tight, but tight enough to, you know, hold the braid. So right now I am using my index finger and I'm crossing underneath, you know, the braid. So my middle finger there is basically to support. Like you see, my middle finger is to support, and then my index finger is going, you know, underneath the braid, just like that. So I'm going to do like 3 plaits before I start to move on. So right now what I am doing is I pinch the hair and I use my index finger to, you know, add more hair to the braiding hair, like as you can see. So I need you guys to do something for me. Get a someone, or if you have a doll just like this, and if you do not have a doll, you can check on Amazon for a doll, a human hair doll, and you see, I think I got this for like $35 or so. So I think you guys can do this and just, you know, purchase it. So for both hands, you can see that I am doing this on both hands. So when you get the doll and the person who you're going to be using, this will help you to understand, you know, braiding. So let us all just be practical about this. So you can just get a doll or you get a person and you replicate what I am doing right now on them. So this is what I am doing. So basically I am just using, you know, I'll pinch and then I'll use my index finger to, you know, add more hair to the existing hair that I'm using to braid, just like that. I think this video is very self-explanatory, but you can see, like, when my index finger picks the hair, my thumb and my index finger of my left hand picks the hair, like it catches the hair, and then it happens on the right hand side too. So like I said, you'll be needing your 2 hands for this braiding, and the most important fingers that you will be using is your thumb, your index finger, and your middle finger. Please take note of that. I'm going to show you another demo in the next one that I'm going to do right now. video is not how to do a stitch braid. This is just basically a regular cornrows without extension. So you can see the beginning, I already parted. Now I'm using my index finger to cross underneath. Then I use my middle finger to support my index finger. So what the middle finger does is to help the hair, to tighten the hair. Yes, so it helps tighten the hair. Like you can see when I am, crossing my index finger into the hair, you can see how my middle finger is helping to tighten the knots that I already created, the braid that I already created. So you slice and then you catch with your thumb and your index finger. So now I will slice again with my index finger on my right hand. So I will slice just like that, and then I catch with my index and my thumb, then I braid. So now I do the same thing, slice just like that, and then I catch. So what you're doing is a lot of slicing and a lot of catching. So you're slicing with your right hand, and you catch with your thumb and your index finger of your left hand, and then you slice with your left index finger and you catch with your thumb and your index finger on your right. So it's just a switching of position, switching of roles, just to get that uniform look, if I'm explaining this in the best way. So that is how I do cornrows. So basically we'll slice again, and then what do? I catch. Then you can see that my middle finger is helping with the tightness of this braids. You can see, let me show you now. You can see that my middle finger just go right into the middle of the hair and helps tighten that cornrows. So I don't know if this video is as detailed as possible, but please let me know in the comment section what you think about this explanation and what you think about this particular video. I feel like I have been able, like this video, I wanted it to be as detailed as possible so that you're seeing every single thing that I am doing. You can see like the slicing and then the catching. You can see how I started, how tight it is looking. So you can save this video and share with your friends, save for next time. I just want you guys to have someone, or you have a doll like this, because I actually practice with a doll to get perfect at this particular cornrow thing. So if you have a doll and you have someone who you can, I feel like you can practice this hair so many times and then you be the best at it. I am telling you guys. So basically that is how I do my cornrows, and I hope that this video I was able to meet you guys' needs in a way. I hope so. But please let me know in the comment section what you think I should work on, or the kind of video you want generally, because I know people have a request, and please, I don't hold knowledge. I basically share everything that I think or everything that I know. So if you need me to create one hairstyle for you guys, how to do it, please in the comment section. I need you guys to just please tell me what you want, and I will get the video across to this channel, or I will upload the video on this channel. But my major advice for you is braiding is basically not a one-time thing. It takes a lot of practice, and it's saying this from a place of experience. So this is the third one, and I'm saying this from experience. Initially when I got the doll, I was like, I just wanted to practice hair on it. So if you have a doll like this, it will help you practice. If you don't have somebody who is willing to sit down and you braid your hair, so if you have a doll like this, it will help you a whole lot. So yeah, you guys can see, you can see what I am saying. You can see what I am saying. You can see, yes, you can see the middle finger helping, is supporting, and at the same time helping the braid look tighter. So when the braid is tight, you see that the cornrow will last a longer time. So this last one, I made sure that I zoomed and zoomed and zoomed. I'm being honest with you, I just zoomed so much so that you guys can see, you know, how this braiding is like. So slice and catch is, so please just allow that to be in your mind, like slice and then I catch with my thumb and my index finger, and my middle finger is to support me throughout this process. So yeah, so I have come to the end of this video, and if you watch up until this very moment, I want to say thank you so much for doing that. May God bless you. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell just to get notified anytime I post. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can also show other people so that they can watch also. And please leave a comment down below, tell me the kind of video you want me to create, and tell me what you think about this particular video. Is very important. If you want me to create this kind of video more often, please just leave a comment down below. And I have other hairstyles on my page, you can also check them out, and I made sure that they are very, very detailed. And also, if you're interested in a makeup, you know, video, because I am also a makeup artist, so please leave a comment down below telling me the kind of video you like me to create, and I will create that and post it on here so you guys can come back and watch it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.